Hello, here's SWC team, and you are watching a video digest in which we share the most important events in the history of string transport and SWC over the past weeks. In this release, results of the second meeting of the Scientific and Technical Council of UST Incorporated. What does the new design of Unimobile for the Belarusian sanatorium look like? uTerra has been officially registered in fertilizers category in the Arab Emirates. Let us not waste time and get straight to the first event. UST Incorporated held the second meeting of its Scientific and Technical Council this year. The event is held quarterly and covers key areas of the company's scientific and technical activities. The chairman of the council was the general designer of UST Incorporated. Read more about the two stages of the meeting in the news. The development of the UST Transport and Infrastructure Complex for the Belarusian sanatorium has reached a new stage. According to the media center of UST Incorporated, the design of the Unimobile was agreed upon during the cooperation. The interior is designed taking into account the specifics of the resort facility. The guests will be able to access the spa complex from the hotel without going outside. Boarding is possible in slippers and a bathrobe. Priority is given to calmness, accessibility, and visual comfort. uTerra has been officially registered in fertilizers category in the Arab Emirates. This confirms its safety for human health, guarantees environmental sustainability, provides the right to free circulation of products and access to new markets. Registration of fertilizers is a mandatory condition for their legitimate trade. Obtaining a confirmation certificate is an important stage of development, which gives official status and expanded sales opportunities. That was the main news for today. Please do put your likes and leave your comments for this release. See you soon.